Hello, Sandeep. Please introduce yourself and your role at Transport New South Wales.
I'm a program manager at Transport for New South Wales. At Transport, I've been involved in delivering several data analytics programs over the last 3.5 years.
Please tell us more about this project and the main objectives.
The Transport is a state government enterprise responsible for delivering safe, integrated and efficient transport systems to the people of New South Wales. The organization is in early stages of executing a $41.5 billion worth of Future Strategy 2056. More than 300 initiatives have been identified for delivery in first 10 years, underpinned by data-driven technology roadmap. Majority of initiatives have a significant technology component, including that in data and data analytics. Transport generates significant amount of data from bus, ferry, light rail, metro and heavy rail modes every day. As the big data technology has matured in past few years, it has given Transport an ability to store, transform and use the data generated from IoT devices, something we were unable to do effectively earlier. Multimodal Performance Reporting Program is one of the first programs to harness the power of data to improve customer services and manage the performance of bus, ferry, light rail and metro operators. Depending upon the mode, we are ingesting data every 10 seconds or bringing it overnight from operators' source systems. We are building upon the foundations of a proof of concept we did using bus data last year, and now we are extending the solution to all modes. There are 6 streams running concurrently with over 45 direct resources and another 20 resources from business and operators indirectly supporting us. So it is a big team with over 65 resources delivering this program.
How did Microsoft Azure technology help you to achieve these objectives?
Being a large organization, I think Transport uses every conceivable technology. To set up our strategic operational data lake, we chose Microsoft Azure after an extensive evaluation. I find big data technology is evolving fast, and Microsoft as an organization has provided great support to our program. For analytics and reporting, we have both data at rest and in motion, and the Azure-based solution is scaling really well for us.
What were the business outcomes?
It is early days for quantifying benefits for this investment. However, we are equipping Bus Metro, Bus Regional, Ferry, Light Rail and Sydney Metro contract management teams to better understand what happened on their network yesterday. Are there some endemic issues which can be discussed with transport operators and resolved? All the dashboards we are creating are being shared with respective operators, and it gives full transparency to whether the operational performance is meeting contractual obligations as well as identifying areas of improvement. In all cases, we provide granularity of every trip at every transit stop. Contract managers and data analysts now do not have to struggle with millions of rows in an Excel spreadsheet and can focus on managing contracts using curated data, and they don't have to wait for monthly reports from transport operators to find what and when something went wrong.
What were the lessons learned in this project?
My experience with delivering such business intelligence and data science initiatives has triggered me to commence doctoral research. I don't think any organization has hit a sweet spot in end-to-end delivery of such initiatives. Combining lessons from previous delivery of data analytics programs, here are 3 key lessons learned. 1. The programs such as multimodal performance reporting are exploratory in nature and carry a lot of uncertainty around data, scope and schedule. We need to learn to live with uncertainty and ambiguity. 2. Creating a requirements document upfront doesn't work, as requirements emerge as part of the data discovery and as we build dashboards. Using agile methods and working with the respective product owner one dashboard at a time and with one data set at a time works really well. And 3, communicate, communicate, communicate. That's the only way to effectively deliver these programs.
I heard that your team was recognized and nominated at Transport New South Wales. Would you like to share some more about this?
Last year, sponsor of Bus Performance Reporting nominated the program team for Operational Systems, Rewards and Recognition. This year, the sponsor of Light Rail Performance Reporting nominated the program team for the same Operational Systems, Rewards and Recognition. There is a lot of hard work which goes into delivery of such programs, and appreciation from our sponsors makes the effort absolutely worthwhile and keeps us going.
Keep up the good work. Thanks for joining us, Sandeep.
My pleasure. Thanks for having me.